Okay, this is a DIY, a parcel deliveries box that I DIY. First, you leave the box unlocked, and when the delivery guys put in, you follow the instruction here and here. Put the parcel in and turn this to your auto lock. Okay, so you cannot turn anymore. So in order to open, you have to key in the password, which I'm not to show you. And done, and ta-da, you unlock. So I'll leave it as unlocked, and when the parcel come in, you read here, you open up, put in, and then just twist and to lock it. And if any questions, you can press the doorbell and I'll be contacted easily. This is one way to receive parcel without putting around the floor or somewhere that is very unsecure. Is one solution. This box is the IKEA Dylan box, $50 Singapore dollars. It's removable. This one is removable. I just too lazy to remove after installation. Oh, another thing is I've cable tie the box by drilling a hole on the top, and there is an existing hole here to hang the nails. So you can either drill a hole here or drill a nail into the gate or the door, depending on your own preference. So I did it for both sides. You can choose an option to drill 2 more holes for a steel cable to tie it down, but because Singapore is quite relatively safe, so I didn't do that. Yeah, well, basically that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching Simon's video. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.